everybody, this is Felicia and welcome to a video for Wild Whispers Designs. Today I'm going to be showing you their newest collection called Small Patterns. So I was going to go a little fast because this is part of their new collection here that just came out here in June. And so I'm going to show you this. So this one side here has flowers and then the other side has flowers as well. And the other side, the other one has the dots and diamonds. Woohoo! This side has arrows and arrows with a different color background, and then the border strip are pluses. I forgot to show you the border strip, so I'm going to show you here. Here's the flowers, and then here's some arrows. All right, so the next one is plus signs, different color plus signs on the back, and a border strip of circles. Excuse me. This side's really cool. This looks like shells. And this side has solid lines with a border strip of diamonds. And this side is circles. And the other side has also circles, but in black or grayish, I think it is. And now that I've showed you the collection, I'm going to go ahead and get started here. And I'm going to be using this pattern right here for a very special photo of my two youngest children. All right, and there they are. Those two have a natural bond together, I tell you. They were born pretty close in age. They're 2 years and 2 weeks apart. And they're both born in the summer, which, oh my gosh, I tell you, boy, if I had it to do over again, it wouldn't be during the summer. Anyway, so I'm going to be using this pattern paper, and I'm going to also be using some stuff from out of my stash. Now, some of the stuff from out of my stash, and I've noticed lately, is a collection that I have, and I'll mention that later, but right now we're focusing on Wild Whisper stuff, but it's a collection that I have that I needed to kind of get into and use it up, I should say. So I'm going to be using a few things from there, but I'm not going to be covering up the pattern paper because I like for the pattern paper to be seen, and so that way you can kind of get a really good look at the pattern paper. So let's see here. So now I am starting on this layout here, and I'm putting that strip there, trying to figure out I'm using that tag. And then I'm also using the border strip that came from off of this paper as well, which I thought would be a pretty good idea. So I'm fishing in my metal embellishments, which I'm so glad that I put there because I use them often now. I'm always digging in there for something here lately since I've organized that. And so I'm going to go ahead with this at first, so I thought. So, and then I go into my acetate pieces and I see something that is much better and actually matches the paper better. So I'm going to use that. And so now I'm going to, after I've met the photo, I'm going to go ahead and start sticking it down here and making sure that it's straight. I had a little bit of challenges of making sure that I get it straight. For some reason, it just wouldn't straighten out on me. Sometimes that happens. But as you know me and you've been watching my videos, you know I am not the queen of straightness. I'm always getting everything crooked. All right, so I've put some floss through that tag, and now I'm going to go ahead and glue down this branding strip here. And at first I was going to put the picture on top of it, but for some reason I just couldn't get it. So I decided to go ahead and just put the branding strip on top of the edge of the photo there, which now I got it straight. And then this is also a what you call that that material, come on. Anyway, it's a doily. It's shaped into a doily, and I decided to go ahead and use that and then put that acrylic circle right on top, and then also put this tag there to the side, and put this strip above the tag here. One of the reasons why I decided to do this layout this way was because, like I said, I liked for the pattern paper to be seen, and also because I wanted to see, I'm trying to practice using the least amount of embellishments because that way I can get kind of a clean look to it. And so the strip that I put up there says capture this moment. And then I'm also putting a strip over there to the side above the, oh, and by the way, that I figured out what the material was. The doily was made of felt. Anyway, and the sticker that I put above that is called, it says happiness. And then I have another sticker that I'm sticking down here next to my daughter, but I decided to go ahead and put them both above the word bond, which is going to say brother and sister. And then the strip says capture this moment. And so I'm putting those all down, and I'm going to put the word bond down, and because they do have a special bond because they are the 2 years and 2 weeks apart, which I'm not sure exactly. I don't how that happened. Well, we all know how that happened, but you know what I mean. So I'm going to be using a stamp set that I got that is also from Wild Whispers Designs, and I really like this stamp set. It's called Out and About, and I think they still have it in their shop, so you might want to go ahead and take a look at it. But I really like this stamp set because it has it's more travel themed. So it has a train. I'm sorry, not a train, a plane, a camper shell, a compass, and a car, and then it also has a big thing word set on it that says "It's a huge world. Go explore." I really like that stamp set. So if you're interested in that, they have that in their shop. So now I'm getting ready here to glue down the word bond here, and that is exactly what the title is of this paper. And this is an acrylic word that I had in my stash. And so I'm going to put that down and use it because I need to start using up more stuff out of my stash too as well. So, all right, now I'm going to go ahead and put down these white stars. These are white star stickers. And kind of spreading them around a little bit, making it into like a 3 cluster type of deal thing there. And I am pretty much done with this layout. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And if you're interested in any of the goodies that I've used here, please go into the stamp set and the paper collection there. Please, by all means, click the link below and so that you can be routed to Wild Whispers Design Shop. Thank you guys so much, and take care and have a great and wonderful day. Bye-bye.